just moving them forward. You can see at a point, even though I'm switching on and off, but still the wheel is not moving. If you come and see here, there's a lot of gap between the magnet and the wheel. This happened because of the magnetic field produced by the magnet. And I moved the magnet back. See, again it started to move. This is how the brake works actually. But in the trains, the bullet trains, they don't